In this project, we're going to make a simple information pop-up. Starting with a project plan named Floor Plans, save it as Information PU. I'll start by opening the text file, What is Mammary Planes, located in the Assets Information folder. Next, I'll add a point hotspot to the first node, and I'll set the following properties. I'll set the ID to square01. This makes it easier to identify in the list view. I'll leave the type@, URL and set the skin ID to RPGTV_info. I'll copy the title text from the text document and paste it into the title field. This becomes the tooltip. I want the headline to be the same, so I'll jump down to Custom Properties and paste it in the headline field. I want the pop-up to be square regardless of the browser aspect ratio, so I'll set the aspect lock to true. I'll set the aspect ratio to square. The gallery ID I'll leave blank because there isn't a folder of images to reference. I'll copy and paste the description from the text file. I'll leave Show Description to true, leave the number of slides to 0, and leave Set Slide Description to false. Note, the next steps need to be done whenever a custom property or properties are updated. Save the project, republish the project, refresh the browser. Note, if you don't do these steps, you may not see the changes in the output. Click on the Start button to enter the tour, and click on the Info button to see the information pop up. To finish off the information pop-up, I'll add a bit of styling to the point hotspot and pop-up. I'll start by selecting the point hotspot to make it active. I'll change some of the custom properties. I'll set the background shadow to true, the border to true, the icon to question, and the pop-up icon background to round. Once again, save, republish, and refresh. Click on the Start button to enter the tour. The button is changed to a question mark on a round background. Click on the button. The information box has now been styled with a shadow and a border.